Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Glitchtrap from Five Nights at Freddy's. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line for the top of his head. Turn it downwards and flare it slightly out on both the sides of his head. Flare it out with a curved line on his cheek and turn it back diagonally inwards at the lower point. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of his head. Curved line across on his chin from the ending point on the left to the right. And inside of his face, I'm going to draw the top of his snout in the middle with an arch curve line. And at the side of the snout, I'm going to draw his eye with a circular shape on the left right here. And inside of that, a curved line across at this upper corner. And above that curved line, I'm going to draw a small triangular shape in the middle point. And fill that in with black color. Repeat that same black triangular shape again on the left corner. And another one on the right side. Below that, for his pupil, I'm going to draw a circular shape in the middle point and a black circle inside of that in the center. At the outer corner of the eye, curved line diagonally upwards to the outer corner of his head. Above his eye, off center to the left, I'm going to draw his eyebrow with an arch curve line. And another arch curve line slightly above that for the upper line of his eyebrow. And a line across at the ending point on the inner corner. Mirror the same shape of the eye and the eyebrow on the right side of his head. Now for his nose, I'm going to draw below the eye in the middle point, a black circular shape at that point. And below the nose, I'm going to draw a line downwards, branch it out with curved line to the left, turn it across to the left and slightly upwards. Mirror that same curved line on the right side of his face. From the outer corner of the mouth, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the middle of his mouth on both the left and right. Curved line across for the lower part of his mouth. Inside of the mouth, a short line upwards from the lower point on the left and another one on the right. Curved line across from the upper point of that line right there. And above that, in the middle point, a line downwards all the way to the lower part of his mouth. And another line on the left side and on the right side. At the side of his cheek, I'm going to draw his whisker on the right with a line upwards to the right, across to the right and turn it diagonally up. Below that, I'm going to draw another whisker with an arch curve line to the right, turn it diagonally down to the right, across to the right and turn it diagonally down. For the left whisker, I'm going to draw the first whiskers with diagonal line up to the left, turn it across to the left, turn it slightly up and across to the left. Below that, an arch curve line to the left, turn it diagonally down and sideways to the left. Above his head, I'm going to draw his ear off center to the right, curved line diagonally upwards to the right, turn it up, semicircle turn diagonally up to the right, semicircle turn downwards to the right, Same is good. Turn back to the left. Turn it diagonally down to the left, across to the left and slightly down. Diagonal line downwards to his head at that corner. Inside of the ear, I'm going to draw an arch curve line at the top corner right there. Turn it diagonally down to the left on both ending points. Semicircle turn to the middle on both sides and a line across at that corner. Along the edge of that shape, I'm going to draw some short lines across like that, all around the edge right there. And for the lower part of the ear, I'm going to draw an arch curve line below that whole thing. Turn it downwards on both sides. U curve line from the left ending point to the right. Short line across along the edge, similar to the upper shape. And I'm going to mirror the whole ear shape on the left side of his head. Below his head, I'm going to draw his bow tie with a small arch curve line in the middle point. Turn it downwards on both sides and mirror the arch curve line at his lower point. At the outer corner of that, from the upper point, diagonal line upwards to the right. Semicircle turn downwards and slightly in. Flare it back out to the right. Semicircle turn diagonally across to the left and upwards. Inside of that shape from the left corner, diagonal line upwards to the right at this upper corner. Mirror that same line at this lower point. Mirror the whole thing on the left side. Below the bow tie, I'm going to draw two circular shapes downwards at that corner. And at the side of that, I'm going to draw his vest with a line downwards below the bow tie. Turn it diagonally out to the left and downwards. Sharp turn up. Turn it diagonally up to the right and semicircle turn up. Now for his shoulder, on the left side of the bow tie, I'm going to draw a line out at his upper corner to the left. Semicircle turn diagonally down to the left. Turn it diagonally out and turn it downwards to his wrist. Flare it out on his wrist to the left and turn it back inwards. Turn it downwards and flare it out to the left. Semicircle turn inwards to the right. Turn it downwards to his finger. Semicircle turn diagonally down to the right. Semicircle turn upwards. And on the right side of that, I'm going to draw the other finger with a line downwards below his knuckle. Semicircle turn diagonally down to the right. Semicircle turn back upwards. Turn it diagonally up to the left and turn it upwards. Turn it diagonally up to the right. Sharp turn downwards. Semicircle turn to the right. Turn it up. Turn it diagonally up to the inner corner of his wrist. Flare it out on the wrist right there and turn it back inwards. Repeat that same curve line again at this upper corner. Turn it upwards. Flare it side out and turn it back inwards. Curve line upwards to the side of his vest at this lower point. At that ending point, I'm going to draw a stitch on his shoulder with a curve line upwards. And along that line, I'm going to draw some lines across. On his elbow point, I'm going to draw a curve line across at that corner. Some short lines across along that line. And I'm going to do the same thing on his wrist at that corner. and another one across his hand from the outer corner on the left, across diagonally to the right and slightly down. Some short lines downwards along that line. Above his thumb, I'm going to draw another curved line across. Some short lines downwards along that line. Mirror the whole thing on the right side of his body. Now below his vest, I'm gonna continue the line of his waist on the left with curved line downwards, flare it out to the left and turn it slightly inwards. Flare it back outwards on his thigh, curved line downwards, turn to the right on his knee point, and below his knee point, curved line downwards at that corner. Flare it out with a curved line and turn it back inwards above his ankle right there, and repeat that same curved line again at this lower point. Turn it diagonally down to the left, curved line across to the left and turn down, turn to the right at the base of the toe. On the right side of that whole thing, I'm gonna repeat the same shape of the toe again with a curved line across on the right corner, turn it downwards, turn to the right at the lower point. Repeat the same shape of the toe again on the right side of that. Turn it diagonally up to the right. Turn upwards. Flare it out with a curved line and turn it back inwards on his ankle. And repeat that same curved line again above that. Turn it upwards. Flare it slightly out and turn it back diagonally in on his knee, curved line upwards, diagonally to the right and flare it slightly out. A short line across in the middle of his leg right there. At the inner corner of his thigh, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line across to the side of his thigh at the outer corner, and some short lines downwards along that line. On his ankle, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner, some short lines downwards along that line. Mirror the whole thing on the right side. Below his vest, on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, U curved line to the right, and curved line upwards to his vest on the right side. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!